The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to redefine the foldable smartphone experience with smarter upgrades where they matter most. Early leaks point to a bigger battery, a smoother and more durable folding display, and the much-requested return of the S Pen, three pillars that directly address the biggest pain points of foldable power users. If these rumors hold, Samsung's next flagship foldable could set a new benchmark for productivity, creativity, and all-day performance, while cementing its lead in the rapidly growing foldable phone market, powered at last. A rumored 5,000 mAh battery means real endurance gains for a device built to multitask. That's a significant jump from the Galaxy Z Fold 7's 4,400 mAh. Capacity and exactly what heavy users have been asking for. Foldables drive two displays, desktop-style multitasking, large file handling, and advanced camera features, all of which demand more energy. With a larger cell, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to deliver longer screen-on time for back-to-back meetings, console-quality gaming sessions, and marathon content creation, with fewer top-ups and more confidence away from the charger. For professionals, travelers, and creators who live on their phones, this upgrade could be the most meaningful quality of life improvement yet. The display experience is on track to feel more seamless and more premium. One of the most common complaints about foldables visible creasing is reportedly being addressed with a refined internal architecture. Rumors point to precision laser drilling on the metal support plate beneath the panel, allowing a gentler fold radius and a smoother bend across the hinge. The result should be a cleaner, less noticeable crease and a more uniform canvas for everything from spreadsheets to immersive video. A smoother fold doesn't just look better. It also supports long-term durability, helping the panel withstand thousands of open and close cycles without compromising the viewing experience. As rivals eye the foldable category, this kind of thoughtful engineering keeps Samsung's displays at the top of the class. Productivity and creativity are getting a major boost with the return of the S Pen. Many Fold fans miss stylish support on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, especially those who depend on precision input for note-taking, sketching, markup, and rapid navigation. With the Galaxy Z Fold 8, S Pen compatibility is expected to make a comeback without sacrificing the sleek form factor that defines the Fold series. For students, designers, field workers, and multitaskers, the combination of a tablet-sized canvas and pen-level precision transforms the device into a pocketable workstation. Annotate PDFs, storyboard videos, capture ideas in seconds, or fine-tune edits, all with the responsiveness and accuracy that makes Samsung's stylish ecosystem so compelling. Together, these upgrades reflect more than incremental change. They show Samsung refining the fundamentals of what makes a foldable truly great. Bigger battery capacity targets real-world endurance. A smoother, sturdier folding mechanism elevates the everyday feel and visual polish. And stylish integration unlocks advanced workflows that go far beyond typical smartphone use. Instead of chasing novelty, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 appears focused on delivering a more dependable, more versatile tool, one that treats the inner display as a serious workspace and the cover screen as a fast, familiar phone interface. For everyday use, expect a more fluid, more reliable experience from morning to midnight. A larger battery paired with power-efficient hardware and adaptive display tech should extend life between charges. Even with heavy app multitasking and frequent transitions between the cover and inner displays, the refined folding design promises fewer visual distractions and a more all-screen feel, whether you're reading, editing timelines, or running 3 apps at once. And with S Pen support, the Fold becomes an even stronger choice for on-the-go productivity, turning whiteboard brainstorms, flight seat work sessions, and couch-side creativity into natural, pen-first experiences. For entertainment and gaming, the benefits are just as compelling. Reduced crease visibility helps videos and games feel more immersive across the tablet-sized inner display. A bigger battery means longer playtime and binge watching without anxiety. And with Samsung's ongoing software refinements for split-screen pop-up windows and app continuity, the Fold's flexible form factor continues to unlock use cases that flat phones simply can't match. Design-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to focus on refinement rather than radicalization. That's a smart move. Polish the hinge, smooth the fold, slim what can be slimmed, and strengthen what needs to be stronger. The result should be a more confident daily driver, one that feels premium in hand, resilient over time, and cohesive across both displays. As foldable competition intensifies, Samsung's attention to the basics, battery endurance, display quality, and pen input signals a mature understanding of what real users value. What does all of this mean for you? If you've been waiting for a foldable that can power through your day, the rumored 5,000 milliamp hours battery alone makes the Galaxy Z Fold 8 a standout. If you're sensitive to the crease or spend hours reading and reviewing on the big screen, the smoother fold could be a day-to-day game changer. And if you plan, draw, annotate, or edit on the go, S Pen support turns the Fold into a true productivity and creativity platform, one device that can replace your notebook, tablet, and phone in many scenarios. The bigger picture is clear. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't chasing headlines with gimmicks. It's doubling down on the core experience that makes a foldable worth owning. By elevating battery life, enhancing the display's look and longevity, and bringing back stylish support, Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for foldable smartphones, one grounded in real utility and everyday versatility. For anyone considering a foldable in the coming cycle, tech enthusiasts, professionals, creators, and power users alike, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 deserves a top spot on your radar as the model that blends innovative hardware with practical, meaningful upgrades.